we got a cooler down. She didn't say which cooler. She's just like, hey, I got a cooler down. I'm like, all right. Let's go scope it. I get some gloves on, grab my tool bag, and some analogs. Let's get in there. Yeah, Delfield time. We got power. Smells like the evaporator fan motor's burned up, and I got no evap fan motor. So let's take a look. Let's pull the lid back. Not happy. Not happy. Oh, two banger. Wow. All right, I had to take the side pieces off. We gotta get this cover out of here. So if the Corona doesn't kill you, the sandwich will. Okay, I fished all the pieces of fan blade out of there. Motors were hot because I think they got broken and jammed up. So I'm trying to let them cool off to see if they'll, I don't know if those are thermal out or not. I'm trying to see if they'll cool down. And if the motors are still good and we just need 2 fan blades. All right, so I had a couple fan blades on the truck. The old ones had broken and then wedged. And then got the motors hot from not running, made a smell. Not bad. Like Delfield. Take her all apart. Okay, put this thing all back together. Look at that, looks like shit right there. And it's just making way too much noise. And it's just noisier than a bugger. And you'll see that this metal right here is loose. And if I can get it tight, no more noise. So I'm going to drill through the stainless right here and put a screw in there. Tighten this up. On both sides. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, that sounds a lot better. Jeez, take 3. Throw a little cleanup on that coil.
And give me 6 feet, motherfucker. 6 feet, motherfucker.